into this video. Sorry, I'm on a rolly chair and I'm moving. I need to stop doing that. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. You're in the right place if you're looking for anything low carb diet related. I have two really cool things that I want to announce first before I get into this video. The first thing is, drum roll, as of Monday, I'm going to be starting low carb again. Guys, it's been over a year since I've been strict on a hardcore low carb diet, which if you guys have followed me, if you've seen my before and after video of low carb, that's how I lost all my weight. That's how I feel the healthiest. And that's how I just know my body is supposed to be eating that way. That being said, I'm so excited. I'm there, I'm ready. I'm done eating, carbs, even if it's just brown rice and like things that are healthy, which believe me, it all hasn't been healthy. I was pregnant, but because of that, I'm just like ready to jump right back in and I can't wait. So that's starting very soon. I'm super excited. I'm gonna be making meal plans. I'm gonna be doing updates, things like that. I wanna share them on this channel because I feel like you guys would really benefit from that, from seeing somebody go through it firsthand again, especially me, because if you guys have seen my before and after video, that's how I lost all my weight in the very beginning. So I kind of wanted to take you guys on that journey again because it's pretty much like I'm starting all over again. So I want to be sharing that with you. If you guys have any suggestions, if you want to see certain videos from me, I will be starting that, and I'm hoping to be posting a lot more on here. They might not be recipe videos every single day. It might just be updates. It might be how I'm feeling, what I'm eating, those kind of things. But if you guys want to see that, give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. Let me know if that's something you guys want to see. But I'm also going to be doing more like lifestyle videos, more vlogs, and that's going to be on my other channel. So I will link that down below in case you guys want to check it out and want to see a more behind the scenes Kathleen Hart lifestyle. And my second announcement is I'm almost at 10,000 subscribers, guys. How did that even happen? I can't even believe it. I really can't. And I'm so super excited. And the only thing that I could think to do, which I can't even believe I'm at this point in the YouTube journey, is I wanted to do a little giveaway for you guys. I'm not sure exactly what yet, but I wanted to give away like something fun that I use all the time for cooking. So I don't know exactly what that is yet, and I'm obviously not at 10,000 yet, but with your help, if you're watching this video and you're not subscribed, hit the red subscribe button, click the bell so you get notified when I post a video, because I'm going to be posting a lot more. Yeah, so if I get to 10,000, I'm gonna be doing a giveaway. And then now that that's out of the way, I wanna talk to you guys about today's set of recipes. Now, I decided to come up with a trio of salads that are just perfect for starting new, whether that's going back to school, going back to college, starting a new job, going back to work without being on vacation. I think that's the hardest thing to do in the next like month or two, because we are reaching the end of summer. You're not on vacations anymore. Well, at least I'm not. You have nothing planned. There's nothing really going on for the next couple of months. At the end of the year, everything kind of is bunched together. So now is the perfect time to get yourself back on track, to start again. So this is titled, back to school salad inspiration, salad ideas, but this is really good for any time that you kind of need to jumpstart yourself and get back on track. So now that I've talked enough, I'm gonna hand you over to the voiceover and check out these salads. I know you guys are gonna love them. They're literally probably Jay and I's top 3 favorites, so that's why I'm sharing them with you guys today. So enjoy.
So the first salad is my simple chef salad. For this one, you're gonna need spring mix, some chopped green onion, some ham roll-ups, which I'll show you how to make in a second, and then a couple of cherry tomatoes just cut in half. So for the ham, I'm using Black Forest ham, and I'm also using 1 slice of American cheese. So 2 slices of ham and 1 slice of American cheese. Just roll them right up and slice them like so. When you do this, it creates really pretty pinwheels that look awesome on top of the salad. So now that it's time to assemble, I like to just put the pinwheels, add the tomatoes, and then sprinkle it with the green onion. There you have it. That is my simple chef salad. For this specific salad, I love to serve it with some ranch dressing. I just think that complements it perfectly. Pack this up and you are ready to take it to work, school, on the go, or to enjoy at your house. For my second salad, I'm calling this an ABLTE salad, and you will see why in a second. You're gonna start with some chopped romaine lettuce, some sliced red onion, the E for hard-boiled egg, and then you're gonna need some tomatoes, and then we have the A in the title for avocado, and then we end with the star of the show, the crispy cooked bacon. My favorite bacon to use is boar's head. It's a little bit more expensive, but it's totally worth it if you can find it. For a shortcut, I also use these hard-boiled eggs. Super, super convenient. What I use today is a little bit of garlic and sea salt and also some black pepper, and I'm going to season up the egg and also the avocado. A little bit extra for the avocado is some red pepper flake, totally optional, but this to me makes avocado. I can't eat avocado without it. Let's assemble. Top everything right on top of the romaine, and just like that, you have a perfect ABLTE salad. I love to serve this one with blue cheese dressing. My third salad is my Italian style salad with chicken. This is my favorite. The key to this, because we are missing croutons, right, is some Parmesan cheese crisps. They are super, super low carb, super tasty. You can make them yourself, but I mean, when they're already packaged up like this, why waste your time? They have minimal ingredients. They're super, super good. So for this one, I'm gonna be using some baby romaine lettuce. You could also use butter lettuce, whatever you like. I'm using some cooked rotisserie chicken here, some shredded mozzarella cheese, bell pepper of your choice. I'm using orange, and then I like to use fresh chopped tomatoes, and then also some green olives. Don't those ingredients just look pretty? I love colorful salads. So for the chicken, I'm gonna actually season it with a little bit of garlic powder and then a sprinkling of oregano. This really helps with that Italian style flavor, and with the dressing I'm gonna be using, it tastes like a sub. So pile on all your ingredients. So super pretty and colorful. And what I like to do is take these crisps and break a couple of them up into smaller pieces, and then also put some big ones on there too. I like to finish it with a sprinkling of oregano, and then there you go, guys. This is probably my favorite salad. So you can package this right up and take it on the go or eat it at home. My favorite dressing is a little bit of red wine and vinegar and a little bit of olive oil.
So I hope you guys liked those 3 salad recipes. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, because I will be doing a giveaway soon. And also hit the like button if you guys like this set of recipes. As always, the full recipe links with all of the ingredients and then a couple extra pictures are going to be linked in the description box below. It will take you to my blog. So thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.